How you doing, Dr. Coupe? This is Theotis. I was sending you a video recording in response to the issues you're having with Blackboard Collaborate sessions because I wanted to illustrate some of the issues that I found out on my own by troubleshooting. Correct me if I'm wrong via email, or you can give me a call, but it appears that I understand in what you said in your previous email is that you're bringing over Collaborate sessions from last semester, which was fall 2013. I'm not sure if you're using the import method or if you're using the backup and restore method. Um, Depending on which way you're using, what's happening is when you transfer these Collaborate sessions over, when students click on the Collaborate session, for example, I'm logged into Latricia Horton's account, as you can see right here at the top. So this is from her perspective. When they click on, let's say, for example, ratio analysis, what happens is that it goes to the page, the summary, where they can click on the session here. When they click on to access the session, it says you cannot enroll yourself in this course because they're trying to access the original recording from fall 2013. So this is the problem. It's definitely a Blackboard Collaborate issue. It appears that those sessions that you previously recorded in the fall of 2013, the source ID is still identifying with this course. So Blackboard is definitely taking a look at that. They're trying to figure out what's going on. How come these sessions that were previously recorded are not transferring over to the new course ID? So I'm still waiting to hear back from Blackboard. But as an alternative, what I can show you what I did, and this is something that you can do. I know it's a little tedious, and I know your students need access to this content, and I hate for them to suffer. So as a workaround, let me show you what I've done. Okay, I'm still logged into Latricia Horton's account. I'll go back out, log into your account so you can see exactly what I did to get the results. So for example, the Collaborate Chapter 2 session right here from the previous semester, what I did, I went into your fall course from last semester, downloaded the JNLP file, which is the Blackboard Collaborate Java file, to my computer, which is right here under downloads. Let me go back up here. There's a series of them. So this file, what I had to do after I downloaded it from your previous course was drag and drop that into your spring 2014 course. Okay, let me go back. All right. So when I drag and drop that file in the course, it appears, like a basic Java file, but the students are still able to access the old recordings. All I did was when I dragged it into the course, I changed the name to suit what the recording was originally, the name and the date. So Latricia, when she clicks on this here, it's going to ask her to download the JNLP file, which is the original recording file. If she keeps it, let's go ahead and open this file, and she'll have access to the previously recorded Chapter 2 session that you recorded January the 26th of this year. Now, for going further here, for the ratio analysis, I did the same thing. So if Latricia clicks on the original file that you imported over, she's going to get that same error message, can't enroll herself in the course. So what I did, I went back to the fall course again, downloaded the JNLP file, drag and dropped it into the course, and now Latricia is able to click on this file. She's able to download the recording and access the recorded content. Okay, I'm going to take a pause here. I'm going to pause the screen. I'm going to log into your account as the instructor so you can see exactly how I accomplished these results. Okay, Dr. Coupe, I'm back now. What I was able to do was to go into Moodle, and I've logged in as if I were you, the instructor of the course, as you can see right here in the upper right hand corner. This is your new spring 2014 course. In a different tab, I have your fall 2013 course as well. So to accomplish the results, to get the recordings over to the new semester, instead of using the import feature, what you're going to do, you're going to go into this fall 2013 course, scroll down to the appropriate recording, So if we're going in order here, I'm assuming that this is the next recording that you want to bring over to your new course. You're going to click on this right here. You're going to go down to the play icon. Let's click this here. It's going to take you over to the Blackboard Collaborate screen, and then it prompts you to download the JNLP file. So I'm going to click on Keep. Now the JNLP file is number 8 because I have a lot of your files here on my computer. So let's go back to Moodle and open up your Spring 2014 course. Turn the editing on. I'm going to scroll down here to the time value section here. So what I'm going to do is simply go to my computer here, look for the file that I downloaded from your fall 2013 course, and do a quick drag and drop over here. And this is the native playback name that appears. I'm just going to change the name to match time value of money, and we're going to do 2-9 part 1. That's the same recording that I'm assuming came from your fall 2013 course. Yep, time of money part 1. All right, so that's over here now into the native playback. Let me go ahead and do a quick copy and paste here of that name. All right, when we go in here, so now what I'm going to do from this standpoint, I'm going to switch over to the student view, and you'll be able to see that they will be able to access this JNLP file, which is time value of money. So when they click here, it's going to ask them to download this file, and that's going to enable them to open up the Collaborate session so they can access your recordings from the past. I do understand that this is a tedious workaround, but there's definitely something going on with Blackboard's import and backup and restore feature for previously taught Collaborate sessions. I'm still awaiting a phone call or a ticket response from Blackboard, but until they respond to my immediate ticket, this will be a workaround for you going forward with this semester. I hate for your students to suffer where you would have to suspend the course. So let's try to work with this workaround until I hear further details from Blackboard Collaborate. You can also give me a call, Dr. Coupe. My extension here on campus is 2586. Maybe we can set up a meeting on Monday of next week or possibly Tuesday. You can even email me a meeting request where we can talk further about this workaround, and hopefully Blackboard would have gotten back to me in response to my initial ticket. All right, I hope this works out for you. Have a good one.